So there is something strange that has been happening to my channels for the past few weeks, and at first I actually ignored it because I thought the video I actually created wasn't up to task, so YouTube didn't actually push it. But then it happened again on this particular channel and again on my other channels. So videos that I actually knew were going to reach more people didn't, and that is when I started asking a question that I didn't want to ask: is YouTube actually hiding religious content all over? So if you're actually seeing this particular video, then by some miracle YouTube is back again. If not, I'm pretty sure this video will also be among the rest. Now you see, I've been on YouTube since 2010 and I had an account since 2015. Then I created this particular YouTube channel since 2020 and became consistent on posting content since 2023. And this channel has had its ups and downs, and we are still going through that particular stage. But despite all the struggles, as a small creator, we get a significant amount of views and engagement on our videos. You can actually attest to that fact. Now, from the beginning of this year 2026, we've seen some improvement and also gained some subscribers from the videos that we actually uploaded up until about 3 weeks ago of this month. You see, on Easter Friday I uploaded a video titled "Why Muslims Respect Jesus More Than Anybody," and that particular video, although it didn't get much views, brought in some engagement between the Muslims and also the Christians. And the video wasn't doing so bad either. The algorithm as at that time was pushing the video out, so viewers actually decide whether or not to click on the video. Then the following week, that is on Friday, I uploaded this particular video titled "They Tried Exposing Islam but Became Muslims." Now, normally when I upload a video on this particular channel, I don't actually check my YouTube studio until about a week later when I am about to upload a new video. So when it was time, I launched my YouTube studio to upload this particular video titled "Jesus in Islam versus Christianity, the Truth." And then I saw that the previous video had 0 views, like 0 views, not even a view for my siblings. And then I checked the analytics, and after a week, nothing was actually happening. There is no information about YouTube actually recommending the video. And so what did I do? I deleted the video because I thought it could have been shadow banned due to the title that I actually gave it. And then I re-uploaded the video last week Friday and then changed the title to "These Men Converted to Islam. Here's Why." Then I also uploaded the current video and then scheduled that for Saturday. That was last week Saturday. And as of the time of recording this video, that is like today, which is on Wednesday 22nd of April 2026, this is what the video has in 1 week. This is just a view, probably from YouTube AI, and no recommendations whatsoever. Now, before I even go further, let me be fair with you because this is important. YouTube doesn't actually sit there and then say that let us block these religious videos. That is not how YouTube works. What it does is that it prioritizes what keeps people watching, what people actually click, and what people stay for, and also what people actually engage with, which for the past few videos you can see we did quite well with that. And come to think of it, religious topics can be sensitive, they can be debatable, and sometimes controversial, and platforms like YouTube, they don't like risk at all. And so content that actually feels neutral, like what I'm doing now, gets pushed more easily provided that this particular video is getting pushed. And also content that might create disagreement get handled differently, like what we've seen on my other channels with the previous videos that I've actually uploaded. Now, I'm not saying this is a rule, I'm saying this is what I have observed through testing, through uploading on other channels, and the results are pretty much the same. And so this video that you're actually watching is taking a different route, a different storyline, and a different format away from the purpose of this particular channel, which is to try changing the negative narrative people have about Islam and Muslims in the world through engaging content. Because if this particular video does well, then it proves my point that YouTube has changed something and they want more neutral content instead of what I normally create on this particular channel. But if this neutral video gets hidden like the other videos, then we can definitely say that the YouTube AI is causing more harm than good to small creators who are now building their audiences. Because I've seen a lot of videos where creators say that they've seen a massive dip in views and engagement after YouTube actually announced something about AI checking videos to see if it has been made before on the platform. And so this video that you are seeing right now is actually my final test on this theory. If it actually works, then I'll have to find a different way of getting my videos and ideas out there to you guys. But if it doesn't work, then we pray and hope that YouTube finds a solution, especially for us small creators in this religious niche who are trying to achieve their goal. Because I can't just quit now. My goal has not been achieved yet, and I have bigger plans for this particular channel. So fingers crossed, and hopefully I find a way out. My name is Abdulrazak Soraka, and I talk about anything religion on this particular channel. If interested, consider subscribing to the channel before YouTube actually do their thing. Put us on post notifications so that you can see our videos and then watch, then share it with other people. And I'll see you next week Friday. That is if this video does well. Peace.